guys, I'm gonna be showing my save in Melon Playground. This is my first FNAF 1 save. And the door doesn't even look like it's working. We just only break it. Okay. The small apartment building. It always breaks the building. And it looks kind of laggy when it runs. Okay, now the red light, green light map game. It's kinda long. And my airplane mode. This is my first airplane download. And this is my airplane, another airplane. It keeps crashing. Okay, this is my coolest modes. It's Wither Chica. By the way, it breaks his own bones and continues breaking. But I made that mode for me. So this is what I mode downloaded. This guy. Okay, this is my favorite player Pumpkin and Corn Thanos.
How many percent na yan?
Ha?
Ilang percent na yan?
Ano pa? 89.
89?
They just only keep holding hands. By the way, look, in holding hands of Melon Playground, they can just like walk for a moment, but in a knife, it's just nothing for a moment, but another knife, more interesting, but his red guy is still okay because you can stick it moving and kill. Okay, now my other mode that is cool. Nightmare Bunny. It will eat anything that he wants. It just kills everybody.